They power businesses, classrooms, and even your personal finances. Excel and Google Sheets. Two spreadsheet giants, but which one really delivers? On the left, Excel, powerful data analysis and advanced spreadsheet processing. And on the right, Google Sheets, the free, collaborative, cloud-based solution. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what really matters. Each category earns points, and by the end you'll know exactly which spreadsheet comes out on top. The result just might surprise you. Before we start comparing, let me show you a quick mind map of what we're gonna cover. We've got price, collaboration, data handling and performance, formulas and functions, charting and visualization, offline access, automation and AI, ease of use, and finally, who each is best for. Alright, grab a snack, here we go. Alright, first up, let's talk about price. So Excel, honestly, it's not free. There's that one-time purchase, but that'll set you back about $180. Or you've got the subscription route if you want all the Microsoft 365 extras. But yeah, you are definitely paying for these features. Now, Google Sheets, on the other hand, totally free for individuals. No monthly cost, no hidden fees, and you get some free cloud storage with that. The catch? You might hit paywalls or need internet for some stuff, but for most of us, free is hard to say no to. Winner here. Google Sheets, obviously. Collaboration? Oh man, this is where things get interesting. So Excel does let you collaborate. You can track changes and share files using OneDrive, which is nice, but it's honestly a little clunky. Real-time co-editing. Not the smoothest, and you might find yourself manually updating things or just emailing files back and forth. Now, Google Sheets, this is their home turf. Real-time collaboration is literally what it was built for. Multiple people editing at the same time, chatting, commenting, seeing changes as they happen. It's seamless. Unless you load up some monstrous files with a bunch of people, performance doesn't usually drop. For collaborating, Google Sheets is the obvious winner here. Now let's get into data handling and performance. Excel is the heavyweight champion here. We're talking spreadsheets with over 1 million rows, quick calculations, complex data models. If you're number crunching at a professional or enterprise level, this is the tool you want. Only thing is, for the real power, you'll be using the desktop app, not web Excel. Google Sheets, it's a little more lightweight. Starts lagging with really big data, over 100,000 rows, and yeah, if you're expecting enterprise-sized analytics, it's probably not for you. So in this category, Excel totally takes the win. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Excel was released way back in 1985 while Google Sheets arrived a whole 21 years later in 2006? Pretty wild how much has changed since then. Formulas and functions, here where a lot of nerds get excited. Excel, it's like the mathlete of spreadsheets. Over 450 formulas, ultra-advanced stuff like XLOOKUP, and wild customizations for macros and analytics. Downside, bit of a learning curve, but once you get it, you can do practically anything. Now, Google Sheets actually packs more punch than you'd think. It's got more than 200 formulas, plus cool, unique stuff like query, GOOGLETRANSLAT, and GOOGLEFINANC. It's catching up, but if you need those professional, super advanced stats or niche functions, Excel's still ahead. Excel wins this one. Moving on to charting and visualization. Excel, no joke, feels like it was built for making gorgeous, customized charts. The range, the power, the detail for big presentations, it's kind of unmatched. If you're a data artist, this is where you'll shine. That said, some folks may find it intimidating at first. Meanwhile, Google Sheets 2025 has really leveled things up. More chart types than before, fun new stuff like gauge chart and timeline chart, and the gap is definitely smaller now. Still, for real deep dive data viz or ultra fine-tuned control, Excel is still king here. Win goes to Excel. Alright, so how about offline access? Excel is, well, classic, runs on your desktop, all features even if Wi-Fi's out or you're, I don't know, on a plane or a train. You do have to install it, but for people without reliable internet, that's a big plus. Google Sheets, it's 2025, so yes, there is offline mode, but honestly, it's pretty basic and you're definitely limited. You'll need internet for the full experience. If you travel a lot or just can't always count on your connection, Excel's the safer bet. Winner is, you guessed it, Excel. Alright, automation and AI. Let's get a little geeky here. Excel, wow, they've got VBA for powerful automation, macros that'll basically do your job for you, even predictive modeling features. It can be a little daunting to learn, but oh, the things you can do once you get it. Google Sheets, they've hopped in with Google Apps script and macros, and AI assists with data validation and autocomplete. But honestly, it's not quite as deep or robust yet. The lead here definitely goes to Excel. Ease of use, this one's fun. So Excel has been getting friendlier, but yeah, the interface can still be a lot, especially if you open it for the first time. Tons of buttons, so many menus, it's not exactly beginner heaven. Professionals eventually love its power, but there is a climb. Google Sheets? Super clean, minimalistic, pretty much anyone can jump in, start typing and figure things out, especially since everything auto-saves and the mobile experience feels way smoother. Sheets totally wins for being approachable and user-friendly. Last up, who's each best for Excel? If you're a spreadsheet pro, analyst, or crunching massive datasets, it's for you. Power, depth, complexity, it's overkill if all you need are grocery lists. Google Sheets is all about collaboration, simplicity, and accessibility. Students, small teams, or anyone who wants something fast, free, easy, and shareable will love it. Literally, it depends on your use case, so this is a tie. Let's look at all those categories on a radar chart just to see where Excel and Google Sheets each shine. You'll really see that each has its strengths and it's not just a one-sided story. So my final take, if you're doing professional level analytics, working with giant datasets, or need serious power, Excel is hard to beat. But if you're collaborating on a budget or just need something simple and accessible for everyday use, Google Sheets is honestly fantastic. For most folks, Google Sheets will get the job done, but when you need to go big, Excel is still boss. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.